Hello everyone, I'm Venkatesh Miskin here. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. This video is all about certified courses from Autodesk for engineers with certificate, and all the courses are available at free of cost. The courses certificate will internationally usable. It will make your resume strong. And watch this video until end because the registration process is quite difficult. And also check my previous videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more amazing videos like this. So now as you can see here on the screen, a lot of courses are available here for mechanical engineer or civil engineer. You can filter the course you want from here by selecting the area of study. Now you can see here the civil engineering, construction management, engineering, generative design, industrial design, manufacturing engineering, mechanical engineering, product design. Many courses are available here. The course of 3D printing and tutorial videos of Fusion 360, AutoCAD, Revit, all are available over here. And now let's talk about the registration process. To register, just click here on the sign in button. If you already have an account, then go through this, and if you don't have account, then create an account. After this one page, it will give you two options for a student and another is for professional. If you go with the student, you will get the all courses of free of cost. If you go with the professional for your business, then you have to pay for the all courses. So go with the student. So now after the registration process, let's see the how to apply for the course. To apply for the course, you can just click here on the course. After that, you can see something like this here, the detail of your course. The course is at beginner level, 15 lessons with 11 hours 45 minutes. You can see all topics over here, and you have to give the final MCQ test, and then you will receive your certificate. You will get your certificate from somewhere here. You will get the link to download the certificate over here after the completion of this course. Just click here to enroll. Now you can watch the all videos step by step. You can track your progress report over here. It will show how much percentage you are completed. Now let's see which course I completed. Go go to the profile, and you can see here the completion of your courses. I completed this course, Introduction to Design for Manufacturing. I completed this is 100%. I will show you my certificate. This is how the certificate looks like. This looks very cool. You can use this certificate internationally. This will surely make your resume strong. So don't forget to visit this page. I will give you the link in description below. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your all friends.